It's Terje. I want to share something with you. I did something in 2023. I used my subconscious mind on the stock market and I got some, well, frankly, insane results. Too good to be true, really. Really too good to be true. I haven't shared this with anyone before. Why? Maybe it was a fluke, maybe it wasn't real. I have a lot of doubt when it comes to these things. I didn't want to fool you and teach you something that doesn't work. But I've been thinking about it and I will share with you exactly what I did and the results. Now, please understand, I am in no way guaranteeing or hinting that you will get the same results, okay? I don't know how this works. All I know that I got a 67% return and 92% of the weeks I did it, I was profitable. And these numbers are unheard of, right? And my goal with this video is to, of course, help you. But please, I would love it if you could test it. And please don't use your savings on this. Please, let me tell you. You might ask, well, you told us that you want to manifest more money. Why are you not rich now, Terje? If you did that, well, maybe I'm stupid, and maybe to be truly honest, doesn't feel I deserve being rich. I don't know. There's a lot of things going on inside here. But what I did, I spent money I could lose. So I did it on a really low scale. It was like, I think I only spent 10 euros per stock. So the stats are real, the numbers, but they're really, really small. So it didn't make a big difference. I didn't have the money to spend a lot and I didn't trust it a lot. But looking back, I can see the stats and they don't lie. It was on eToro.com. And I don't know anything about stocks. Now I know a little, but I really have no clue about the market and how it moves and what are smart things to do. You know, no way am I a stock expert. And I use stocks, normal stocks, not EFTs or whatever the other things are called. So what I was going to share with you was that please use money you can lose. That has a nice ring to it. And just do it to test it. And if you could get back to me and share your results, that would be amazing. Because I'm still trying, to figure this thing out. I don't know who we're communicating with. I have a lot of doubt, as I said. So if you can test it with just small amounts of money, please get back to me in the comments or an email if you feel like it. So, okay, enough talking. What did I do? I did a two-step process because I had no clue, right, on which stocks were good to test this on or not. So I started out asking AI to give me 3 stocks. And the wording, the prompt, as they say, was which stocks are most probable or highest chance to increase 20% in the next 30 days. Then I got 3 stock options. Some AIs, I tested it now just for fun, some AIs now won't give you that. But some will. So if you go, you don't have to do that. But if you want to go down that route, then test several. DeepSeek gave it to me without any hassle. It's Chinese, yeah. So and then I did that. And when I didn't do that, I just went to eToro and I looked at suggestions. There's tons of suggestions of stocks that you should buy, right? And I used my subconscious and the glasses on those suggestions. This part maybe doesn't matter a whole lot. This part I told you now is mostly just to get some stocks so you can use the method. Because you have to start somewhere, right? I don't know how many companies you can buy. It's probably, too many to make choices. So this is only to make choices. And then you get a list. You can look at eToro and look at the companies and pick 3 or 4 or 5, right? Or ask AI to give you 3 or 4 or 5. And then you use your subconscious mind or whatever it is, because I don't know. I'm a spiritual guy. I tend to lean more towards the spiritual aspect of this. And also, if we think, we know science tells us that our conscious mind, let's say our brain, can process 40 bits of information per second. So me looking around, I can see some writing on the wall, a car, a person, 40 bits, like 40 sentences or maybe letters, I don't know, in a second. It's quite impressive, I think. But the subconscious mind, science tells us, can absorb 11 million bits of information per second. So that's incredible. That's like a library compared to a post-it note. Now, if it is the subconscious mind we're tapping into with the method I'm soon going to show you, I'm not a scientist, so what I told you now about the stats is what science tells us, but those numbers. But if the subconscious mind is only connected to us, my subconscious mind, by the way, cannot pinpoint it. Science cannot pinpoint the subconscious mind. But if it's only me, I don't know the companies, I don't know the market, so my subconscious mind, if it's only me, limited to me, then it's not the subconscious mind. Because if this method works, and if it's true, then it's connected to a wider wisdom, if you will. Because I never saw the companies before, never read about them. No way my subconscious mind can pick up things, I think, yeah. So maybe it's something more, like a spiritual thing, or a super consciousness, or a collective field of consciousness. I don't know. So what did I do? I just asked. Back then, I hadn't discovered the glasses trick yet. So I used the pendulum. You don't have to use a pendulum. You can use muscle testing, but I now prefer my glasses. Because this is like a pendulum, right? They move by themselves. Well, it's my ideomotor effect in my arm, making them move without me knowing it. It's subconscious. Science tells us this. But again, we don't know what the subconscious mind is. So for me, I just put the glasses like that. I've shown this in earlier videos. Like this. I put them down by my side. That's easiest, and then just dangle there, and then move like this for yes, and sideways for no. I can link a video down below where I go through this in detail. So I just ask, do you recommend me buying these stocks? And I look at the company's name, right? And it goes either this, or I can ask, give me a no now, please. Should I buy this stock? And then it goes sideways, like that. And then I buy those for a very low amount of money. Yeah. What do you think? You want to test it? If you cannot get the glasses to work, I can show you. You can also stand up straight like this and just be calm and you can look at your, let's say your computer, right, your screen, and you're gonna go, should I buy this stock? And you will feel a pull either forwards or backwards. And usually, almost all the time, forward is a yes and backwards is a no. Most people can get that, can make that work. That's the body's way. Or you can Google this. There's a lot of tools, pendulums, or you can, you know, use muscle testing. You can put your fingers together like this, make two circles, connect them, and you can ask, should I buy this stock? And if it's hard, if it doesn't, and have the same strength of these together all the time, right? Should I buy this stock? If it's hard, that's a yes, that's power. And if it doesn't open, and you ask, should I buy this stock, and it opens, then it's a no. So strength is yes, weakness is no. That also, I haven't done a whole lot of that, but it seems to be working. So will you test it? And please, I've said it probably enough now, but please don't think I am trying here to tell you that this will work for you, because I'm really not doing that, okay? I am trying to tell you that I tested something and I got the results. Let me tell you a possible other solution to another explanation is that this was in 2023, and that was a very, very good year for stocks, I read since. So maybe all stocks, but I did check with other people's stats on that same period. They weren't even close to what I got. So I don't know. But please understand, I'm not trying to make you do something that you will regret. I'm trying to tell you that I tested it, this happened, and if you want to do it, I told you how now, and please get back to me if this worked or didn't work, right? I am still a kind of a detective trying to figure this thing out. And eToro, and you don't have to use eToro. There's tons of, I guess, apps and whatever you can use to buy stocks. I think, please get back to me, yeah, if this made sense to you. See ya.